Hey, what's going on, grooming enthusiasts? So today I have an exciting new product to share with you. It is going to revolutionize your grooming routine. Now, of course, this video is brought to you today by MANSCAPED. MANSCAPED is known by people worldwide. You've probably seen some pretty entertaining ads from MANSCAPED, but their products are absolutely top notch. Over 9 million men worldwide are using MANSCAPED on a daily basis for their trimming, their grooming needs, for in-shower products. The formulations are absolutely, like I said, top notch, and their premium boxers, which honestly are a favorite of mine. I wear them every single day. And now, once again, MANSCAPED is changing the game with a new product, the Handyman Compact Shaver. I just started using this product. I'm very, very impressed with it, and I can honestly say it is a game changer. So without further ado, let's jump into the features that make the Handyman an absolute game changer. First of all, the Handyman uses a dual blade system, which is really unique. It uses a classic foil blade as well as a long hair leveler. And this combination allows the Handyman to give you a really, really close shave as it effortlessly moves across your skin. Just doing up and down motions will get the job done. Now, what sets the Handyman apart from other shavers is that it uses SkinSafe Technology, which is going to help prevent nicks and cuts. Not to mention the convenience of it. It fits easily in your hand and is completely waterproof. So cleaning is super, super easy. All you have to do is rinse it under some water. Boom, you're done. Now, let's talk about the sleek and compact design of the Handyman. One of my favorite features is simply how it fits in my hand. It feels comfortable as I'm shaving. I don't really have to grip it hard, and I'm gonna be able to get a smooth, clean shave, as well as the compact design makes it basically your best friend when traveling. It's gonna go in a backpack or your toiletry bag. The compact design makes it really, really easy for travel. Although I am clean shaven today, oftentimes I like to let my facial hair grow out a little bit, have a little stubble. I like the look of that. And that is not a problem for the Handyman. The Handyman is designed to be able to tackle facial hair growth up to 3 days. So even if you let that hair grow out a little bit, the Handyman can tackle that no problem. You use it and you're gonna get a clean shave once again. It's not gonna pull on your hair and you get that good, fresh look. Now let's talk about something actually pretty important, which is battery life. How long does the Handyman actually last? So the Handyman comes with a battery that has a runtime of 60 minutes. You're not gonna have to charge it very frequently, as well as the light indicator on the Handyman gives you an idea of how much battery life is left. Makes it really, really convenient for you. So to sum it all up, the Handyman Compact Face Shaver from MANSCAPED truly is a game changer, and it has some incredible features to it. First of all, it uses a unique dual blade system as well as a long hair leveler to make sure you get a clean shave every single time. It also uses MANSCAPED's signature SkinSafe technology to help prevent you from getting nicks and cuts. It's also waterproof, and this is huge for cleanup and keeping your shaver hygienic. And lastly, it has an incredibly impressive battery life. Okay, this shaver has a runtime of 60 minutes. That's incredibly long. You don't have to worry about charging it frequently or traveling and having it be dead when you get there. It also has a light indicator that is going to show you how much battery life you have left. Now, don't miss out on your opportunity to upgrade your grooming routine. Use code DEAN at checkout to get free international shipping as well as 20% off. Yes, do not forget, at checkout at manscaped.com, use code DEAN for 20% off and get that free international shipping. Enjoy!